Characterization of volatile compounds and flavor in spirits of old apple and pear cultivars from the Balkan region. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to view the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe. Fruit spirits are popular alcohol beverages due to their unique flavor. This study was conducted with the aim of developing fruit spirits by utilizing old apple and pear cultivars that can be attractive to both consumers and producers. Consumers of spirit could enjoy the unique flavor, and producers could gain an opportunity for brand development. In total, 8 old apple cultivars and 3 pear cultivars from Bosnia and Herzegovina were used for the spirits production and for characterizing the flavor of distillates. Golden Delicious was used as representative of commercial apple cultivars. The aroma profile was conducted through the identification of minor volatile organic compounds. Analysis of the VOCs was performed by gas chromatography mass spectroscopy techniques after enrichment via solid phase microextraction. Sensory evaluation was performed by 12 trained panelists. Overall, 35 minor volatile compounds were found in spirits, 13 esters, 7 alcohols, 6 acids, 5 terpenes, and 4 aldehydes. In conclusion, significant differences were detected in the distribution and quantity of the VOCs, which are fruit cultivar dependent. Spirits made from Serenica apple cultivar showed the largest amount of all acids, especially short and medium chain fatty acids. However, this richness was not correlated with pleasant sensory attributes. Spirits obtained from Pradoska Zelinska and Masnasa apple cultivars had the best sensory attributes. Rudelka and Krakow pears are promising cultivars as flavoring in spirits production.